It's a great pleasure to talk on this day, National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated every year in India on 28th February. But why do we celebrate this day? What is the objective behind it? This day immortalizes the invention of Raman effect by the great Indian physicist Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. He worked from 1907 to 1933 in Kolkata at the Indian Association of Cultivation of Science, doing research on so many topics in physics, of which the Raman effect became a great success. So, what is Raman effect? Have you ever wondered why the color of the sea is blue? The discovery was made using simple equipments about a ship sailing in the Mediterranean Sea from Europe to Kolkata. In principle, Raman effect explores the scattering of light when it passes through a medium and explains that the blue color of sea is due to the scattering of the sunlight by the water molecules phenomenon, which is called molecular diffraction. When light beam falls on liquid or solid medium, some of the beams pass through, but the small part of the light is deflected and scattered in different directions by the molecules of medium. Raman demonstrated that the wavelength of the scattered light is different from the wavelength of the original incident beam. This change in wavelength of light beam on deflection by the medium is known as Raman effect. Identified as one of the fundamental principles of optical physics, Sir Raman's light scattering effect finds immense application in today's digitalized world. Honoring the discovery of this fundamental principle, every year, February 28 is celebrated as National Science Day in India, a day when the nation remembers the genius of Sir C.V. Raman and celebrates the spirit of science through plethora of activities ranging from seminars, debates, quiz competitions, exhibitions and lectures involving school and college students, teachers and researchers. Thank you so much and all the best to enhance your scientific zeal.
My dear friends, we humans have made a lot of progress in our life. Science has made our life beautiful and comfortable and making our Mother Earth polluted and devastated. Let's have a look at a conversation between some objects.
I am fruity. I am everyone's favorite whoever eat pig. I come in plastic or glass bottle. I am sweet and tasty. Thank you.
Coconut water, you contain artificial sweetness which is highly dangerous for liver. You are packing materials for earth. Look at me, I am full of potassium which is very essential well-being of a person. Hey, there I am favorite food of everyone. Everyone loves me, children, youngsters and even elders. I can be cooked in just 2 minutes.
Hey, you are into junk food. Told that is the food having no nutritional value. Look at me, I am rich in protein and have very high protein value.
I am a French fries. Oh, look at me, how beautiful I look. Children love me eating with a sauce. Oh, sure, you can be cooked in just 2 minutes, but do you know you are included in junk food category? We the vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals and fiber. We make the person healthy, whereas overeating noodles like you make the person fat and sluggish. I am a multi-story building. Many people reside with me. There are many offices in my vicinity. People cut you and construct me there.
I am a tree. I give you oxygen. I give you shade. No one can survive without me.
I am plastic found everywhere. I am durable, long lasting, cheap and colorful. You can use me anywhere and everywhere.
Oh, you pollute the air the most. You cannot be but nor can be decomposed. People should stop using you and must start using me. I am easily available. Microbes can decompose me. I am eco-friendly.
Earth. I am the only planet in the solar system where life exists. It's me and the resources available in me that make your life possible. Can you imagine your life without these resources? No, but it's going to be a reality if you don't save me now. The resources are limited. They are the blessings which humans do not count. You have become selfish and are utilizing resources rapidly. Science had surely made your life comfortable and easy, but beyond particular extent, everything is dangerous. So to save me is the need of the hour, because I am the only planet where life sustains. You do not have a planet we which can move on to. This makes it all the more serious to save me and save your life. So please come together and save me. And for that I would like to say only one thing. Stop pollution is the best solution.
So my dear friends, I think we all should take a lesson from this act and change our eating habits. Even we should try to change our lifestyle to make our Mother Earth beautiful.
And thank you.
My name is Chetna. We all know we celebrate Science Day every year in our school. There are science and art exhibitions in our school. But as you all know, the pandemic situation of COVID-19 has put the restrictions on us. So it's our duty to follow the rules and regulations laid down by the WHO on us. We had virtual classes instead of the physical classes so that the studies can be continued even though we were very far away from the school. So this was only possible due to the science technology. So what's the special day today? Yes, it's Science Day. We celebrate Science Day on 28th of February in the remembrance of Dr. C.V. Raman. The students of various schools and colleges performed their projects and explained them. So here are my friends coming up with their projects and explaining them. So let's have a look over their projects and enjoy them.
Hi friends, I'm Shreya from class 7th. As you know, today is a Science Day. So I have made a model of water cycle. Water cycle or a hydrolake is a continuous cycle where water evaporates, travels into the air and becomes a part of a cloud, falls down to the earth as precipitation and then evaporates again. This repeats again and again in a never-ending cycle. Some places receive more precipitation than others because these places are usually close to the ocean or large water bodies. Water on earth today has been here for millions of years. Humans use water for drinking, industrial application, irrigation, agriculture, waste disposal and recreation. National Oceanic or Atmospheric Administration or NOAA is striving to expand understanding of water cycle to local scales to improve our ability to forecast weather, climate, water resources and ecosystem health. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Anushka Dhamni. I am presenting a water dispenser before you. The things used to make this are bottle, cardboard and dust straw. So now I will tell how it works. First of all, we should fill the bottle with the water and close the cap tightly. Whenever the water is required, we should open the cap slightly. As the air outside enters the bottle, it exerts the pressure and thus the water comes outside. From this experiment, we come to know that the air exerts pressure. I hope you like my experiment. Thank you.
Myself is Mary Dinesh Logre from class 9. On the occasion of Science Day, I would like to show you how to make homemade colors. Holi is called as the festival of colors. Holi is very much unique in Indian soil. Down the ages, people have delighted to splash colors on their near and dear ones and to celebrate the occasion with variety and fun. Use of colors during Holi is not just for fun. Holi colors have several health benefits. Traditional colors are extracted from plants like turmeric, neem, tulsi, etc. therefore had several positive health benefits. Due to commercialization in the modern times had flooded the market with adulterated synthetic colors which are harmful to our human body. So instead of using these colors, we can make eco-friendly Holi colors to play Holi. We can make pink color with the juice of beetroot and arrowroot powder. Then we can make green color by using the plant juice of neem and tulsi leaves. And also you can make yellow color by gram flour and turmeric powder. Instead of using these harmful colors, you can use these colors to play Holi. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Devashish Bharat Pawar. Today I am going to tell information about what is center of mass. So, what is center of mass? In physics, the center of mass is distribution of mass in space as the unique point where the weighted relative positions of a distributed mass sums to 0. So this is the project what I am going to represent the center of mass. So you can see spoon and fork are balancing on just one matchstick. It is the science behind it is the center of mass. So what do you think, if I burn the half stick, it will fall or it will stay as it is? So as you can see, now also it is not falling because its unique point is at the edge of this glass. So the spoon and the fork are balancing still on the matchstick. If I burn also, then also it is not falling. The science is very simple. Center of mass. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dhanashree Surve from Standard 7th A, presenting here the model of working function of kidney. Kidney is the most important part of our human bodies. Kidneys are two bean-shaped organs. They are located below the ribcage, one on each side of our spine. Healthy kidneys filter about an half cup of blood every minute and remove extra water from the urine. The urinary system, also known as renal system or urinary tract, consists of kidneys, ureter, bladder and urethra. The purpose of urinary system is to eliminate the waste from the body, regulate blood volume and blood pressure, control level of electrolytes and regulate blood pH. Thank you.
My name is Atharvanetin Yadav from 5th. I am presenting before you stairs lift. It is an electric motor jet fitted on stairs. The person have to sit on the chair and press the button located on the chair's hand. The main thing is that this is cheaper technology rather than elevator and building lift. Now I will show working of my project. Thank you. My name is Srishti. I am going to perform my experiment of the salt density. So let's start. Put water into a glass. Put equal water. Then put 2 tablespoons salt. Then mix it well. the 2 lemons in 2 glasses. See, of salt, the lemon is floating, and of only the water, the lemon is sinking. Thank you.
I am Tanvi Narikar from class 9. Today, on the occasion of Science Day, I would like to show you how to make hand wash at home. Things used to make hand wash at home: first, lemon; second, aloe vera gel; third, water; fourth, neem; fifth, reetha; sixth, tulsi leaves. A procedure for making hand wash is: first, you have to take water in a beaker; second, squeeze 4 pieces of lemon; third, then put 10 to 15 leaves of tulsi. It is a medicinal plant and protects us from various diseases. Fourth, take half cup of aloe vera gel. Fifth, 3 to 15 fruit soup nut. It is a medicinal plant. Sixth, put some 10 to 15 leaves of neem. It is a medicinal plant. Seven, after mixing all these ingredients, we have to keep it for boiling. After boiling, we have to filter the mixture. After filtering, we have to keep it for cooling. After cooling, our hand wash is ready for use.
Hi friends, my name is Swara. In the occasion of Science Day, I have made a project. I have made a mosquito repellent. I am going to explain how I made this. First, we have to take neem leaves and wash it with the water. Then cut the neem leaves into pieces. Then take a mixer bowl and put the pieces and add 1 cup of water and grind it. After grinding, take a strainer and strain it properly. Then take a bowl and put the mixture in it and add camphor. Camphor is antifungal and it is for smell. Then heat it for 5 minutes. Then cool the mixture for half an hour. Then take any empty refill of any mosquito repellent and pour in it and use every day. After using, you can see the effect of it. Thank you.
My name is Ayush Baker from Standard 10. As you all know, pandemic COVID-19 have made us to maintain social distancing and to follow personal hygiene. So we all are using sanitizer every time. So here I have made a small sanitizer dispenser. Let me explain how does it work. You have to put your hand under the sanitizer dispenser and pull the paddle down slowly. Then sanitizer automatically come on your hand and your hand will get sanitized. So all of you please take care of yourself and use sanitizer every time. Thank you.
My name is Sia Gaikwad. Now I am going to present image projector. Take a bulb, fill it with the water, and the bulb is going to work as a reflector. Then take a transparent plastic sheet and write something on it. Then turn on the battery. And what we have written on the transparent plastic sheet will reflect on a plain surface. Thank you.
Myself Gaurang. This is my science project, Smoke Bubble, and I am going to show you how can you make smoke bubbles from these materials at home. This is my smoke bottle and this is the soap solution. And now I am going to dip this straw in this solution. So you friends saw that the smoke came out when the bubble got popped. It's because the smoke was trapped inside the bubble, and when the bubble got popped, the smoke trapped inside it came out. So this is how we make smoke bubbles at home. Thank you.
Hello friends, do you know that what has made our life more comfortable? Ancient men lived in caves, ate raw flesh, covered their body with leaves. Slowly, men started living a better life by inventing fire, then by inventing wheel. After that, man never turned back by living in groups, practicing agriculture, and the list goes on. Science and its inventions has made our life very easy and smooth. Let's watch a small street play by our friends on science and its inventions.
विज्ञान है ये विज्ञान है, 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 विज्ञान है ये विज्ञान है।
सुनो सुनो सुनो, मैं आपको आज एक कहानी सुनाने वाली हूँ। कहानी है विज्ञान के महत्व की। अश्मयुगीन काल में मनुष्य की विज्ञान के द्वारा हुई प्रगति। तो चलो फिर सुनते हैं।
विज्ञान है ये विज्ञान है, 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 विज्ञान है ये विज्ञान है।
नारायण नारायण। अरे मानव, हमने बंदरों से जन्म लिया है, हमारी उत्पत्ति बंदरों से हुई है और हमने आसमानों में ऊंचे ऊंचे छलांग लगाई है, और तू एक है जो इस युग में यूं ही बैठा हुआ है।
तो मैं क्या करूं? मुझे तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
तो चलो मेरे साथ, तुम्हें दिखाता हूँ मनुष्य ने विज्ञान के द्वारा की हुई प्रगति। चलिए।
विज्ञान है ये विज्ञान है, 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 विज्ञान है ये विज्ञान है।
अरे अरे, ये गोलाकार क्या है?
अरे मानव, वो एक पहिया है। चलो इन्हीं से ही पूछ लो।
ठीक है, ये क्या है?
यह एक पहिया है और मैं आदिमानव हूँ। मैंने ही इस पहिए की खोज की है। आज पहिए के बल पर ही सारी दुनिया चल रही है। अगर पहिया न होता तो सब कुछ रुका होता। मानव अब चंद घंटे में ही धरती की एक छोर से दूसरी छोर पर पहुंच जाता है।
नारायण नारायण।
विज्ञान है ये विज्ञान है, 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 विज्ञान है ये विज्ञान है।
अरे अरे, ये क्या चमक रहा है?
अरे मानव, वो एक बल्ब है। इसकी खोज थॉमस एल्वा एडिसन ने की है। इन्हीं से ही पूछते हैं।
ठीक है, ये क्या है?
यह एक बल्ब है। मैं थॉमस एल्वा एडिसन हूँ। मैंने 1878 में अपने विद्युत बल्ब पर अपनी खोज शुरू की। 1879 में मैंने लगातार 40 घंटे चलने वाला बल्ब इस विश्व को भेंट दिया। आज इसकी बदौलत मैंने पूरे विश्व में उजाला फैला दिया है।
नारायण नारायण।
विज्ञान है ये विज्ञान है, 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 विज्ञान है ये विज्ञान है।
अरे अरे, ये अकेला आदमी किससे बातें कर रहा है? ये पागल तो नहीं?
अरे मानव, वो पागल नहीं, वो फोन पे बात कर रहा है। चलो इन्हीं से ही पूछ लो।
ठीक है, ये क्या है?
यह एक फोन है। इस फोन की खोज मैंने ही की। मैं हूँ मार्टिन कूपर। इस फोन की खोज के कारण अब लोग एक दूसरे के संपर्क में बहुत अच्छे से रह सकते हैं। इस फोन के कारण अब लोग मनोरंजन का लाभ उठा पाते हैं। इंटरनेट को सर्फ करके हम लोग अब किसी भी चीज से जुड़ी जानकारी त्वरित क्षणों में पा सकते हैं। इस कोविड के काल में भी फोन ने लोगों को जुड़ा रखा है, जैसे वॉइस कॉल, वीडियो कॉल, या फिर विद्यार्थियों को विद्या लेने में बहुत मदद की है, जैसे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस इत्यादि।
नारायण नारायण। तो देखा मानव, इस युग से लेकर उस युग तक मानव ने विज्ञान के द्वारा की हुई प्रगति, हर एक क्षेत्र में मानव ने विज्ञान के द्वारा कितना विकास किया है।
जी मुनिवर।
नारायण नारायण।
विज्ञान है ये विज्ञान है, 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 विज्ञान है ये विज्ञान है।
Hello friends, as we all know that science had brought lot of relaxation in our life. There is not a single thing that science had not touched. Science had answer for each and every query. Let us take the latest example of pandemic COVID-19. This viral disease spread worldwide and killing lakhs of lives. And finally, but not completely, but to an extent, science had discovered a vaccine to get control over a disease. Even though we have vaccine, we cannot still say that the vaccine has not reached every person. We should wait till that everyone should get vaccinated. What shall we do? Shall we stay at home for 24 hours? No. We can carry out our daily important work smoothly if we follow the guidelines of WHO, which can stop the spread of this disease. So let's see what are those guidelines and let's try to follow those.
India. India is known as the land of villages. But as the population of a country started increasing, people started migrating to cities in search of jobs. Cities started developing rapidly. Rapid urbanization took place. Humans started chopping down trees to make dams, houses, industries, and thus the pollution increased. Man has started different modes for transport, which led to air and noise pollution. Man has even polluted rivers, and we say we are developing. Yes, we are developing. Because of science and technology, we try to make our lives easy and comfortable. But at the same time, our greeds are polluting our Mother Earth. Dear friends, we don't have planet B where our lives can exist. So, we should really try and understand the deep meaning of words said by Gandhiji. Earth is able to satisfy everybody's needs, but not everybody's greeds. Let's listen and watch what these tribal people want to explain us about these villages and our Mother Earth.
छोड़ब नहीं, जंगल छोड़ब नहीं, माय माटी छोड़ब नहीं, लड़ाई छोड़ब नहीं, गांव छोड़ब नहीं, जंगल छोड़ब नहीं, माय माटी छोड़ब नहीं, लड़ाई छोड़ब नहीं। बांध बनाए, गांव डुबोए, कारखाना बनाए, जंगल काटे, खादान खोड़े, सेंचुरी बनाए, बांध बनाए, गांव डुबोए, कारखाना बनाए, जंगल काटे, खादान खोड़े, सेंचुरी बनाए। जल जंगल जमीन छोड़ी हमीन कहाँ कहाँ जाए, विकास के भगवान बता हम कैसे जान बचाए, भाई हम कैसे जान बचाए। गांव छोड़ब नहीं, जंगल छोड़ब नहीं, माए माटी छोड़ब नहीं, लड़ाई छोड़ब नहीं। जमुना सूखी, नर्मदा सूखी, सूखी सुवर्ण रेखा, गंगा बनी गंदी नाली, कृष्णा काली रेखा। जमुना सूखी, नर्मदा सूखी, सूखी सुवर्ण रेखा, गंगा बनी गंदी नाली, कृष्णा काली रेखा। तुम पियोगे पेप्सी कोला, बिसलरी का पानी, हम कैसे अपना प्यास बुझाएं, पीकर कचरा पानी, हाँ भाई पीकर कचरा पानी। गाँव छोड़ब नहीं, जंगल छोड़ब नहीं, माए माटी छोड़ब नहीं, लड़ाई छोड़ब नहीं। मूर्खे थे क्या मूर्ख जो वे जंगल को बचाए, धरती रखी हरी भरी, नदी मधु बहाए। मूर्खे थे क्या मूर्ख जो वे जंगल को बचाए, धरती रखी हरी भरी, नदी मधु बहाए। तेरी हवस में जल गई धरती, लुट गई हरियाली, मछली मर गई, पंछी उड़ गई, जाने किस दिशाएं, ओ भाई जाने किस दिशाएं। गाँव छोड़ब नहीं, जंगल छोड़ब नहीं, माए माटी छोड़ब नहीं, लड़ाई छोड़ब नहीं। मंत्री बने कंपनी के दलाल, हमसे जमीन छीनी, उनको बचाने लेकर आए साथ में पलटनी। मंत्री बने कंपनी के दलाल, हमसे जमीन छीनी, उनको बचाने लेकर आए साथ में पलटनी। अफसर बने हैं राजा, ठेकेदार बने धनी, गांव हमारी बन गई है उनकी कॉलोनी, हाँ भाई उनकी कॉलोनी। गांव छोड़ब नहीं, जंगल छोड़ब नहीं, माए माटी छोड़ब नहीं, लड़ाई
देशवासी